This stem has larger leaves. Galls are getting larger, but the leaves are still young and tender and soft. They're not stiff at all yet. So these galls are still immature. So they've not gotten to the point of reproducing yet. These leaves are much stiffer. So they're fully formed leaves. Galls are old enough now that these can be reproducing. So I'm looking for this kind of stem. Still got some greenness to the stem, but the stem is very stiff now. So I can take this stem put it on a new shoot. It's ready to receive crawlers, and that will spread.